Morning guys, from the train station here in Luang Prabang. Guys, this is unreal. That is the brand new train station financed by the Chinese, at least a 70% as far as I know, and it's in the middle of nowhere, 12 kilometers out of the town. There's literally nothing around, just a few food stalls. Simple life going on there. A very rural area. In Europe we have the train stations usually in the center of a city. Here is completely different because it has been built recently, so we are looking forward to take the new modern China Laos train right now going down to Vang Vieng. Let's see how this is gonna go. Very long queue here. First you get your tickets checked, and now there is a security control like at the airport, guys. So guys, here we are inside the waiting hall. It still seems to be unreal, such a modern place here. By the way, the journey to Vang Vieng takes only 1 hour instead of 4 hours before going by bus. We did the security check-in right over there. Some people had to throw away their shaving foam, which is not allowed. I have also a small one with me, but I didn't say anything, so pretty lucky. And now we are waiting to board the train right here. Everything is very strict, under control. It's pretty warm here inside. The air conditioning, I don't know if there is one, probably there is, but it doesn't work properly. So let's see how this train adventure is gonna go. So I was just about to fill my bottle here, but guys, can you imagine that? Only hot water, no cold, 100 degrees. What I am supposed to do with the boiling water here at the train station? Can you believe that? Oh my goodness. So waiting again. Carriage 6 will be our wagon here, our coach. There we go. Green high-speed train.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are arriving at Luang Prabang Station.
หอดสถานีเข้ามา กรุณาติดตามฟังการแจ้งเตือนเมื่อรถออก
Alright guys, we're on a train in the middle of Laos. Can't believe that, such a modern train. And this is kind of a toilet loo review video right now. I don't know if there's a Western toilet as well, but this is kind of a Asian squat toilet. But to be fair, it's pretty clean. As far as I can see, they check it every hour, and we are driving 160 kilometers per hour through Laos. That's insane, guys, because obviously China is involved, so they could build this track throughout Laos, connecting China with the southern part of Laos. Anyway, let's get out of here. Got the sink over there. That's what I read online. The majority of this journey goes through tunnels, so no views at all, apart from the black tunnels. And this is the other carriage. And actually you can't even feel that it's going that fast. It's like a European or German bullet high-speed train. And actually I'm waiting here to show you a tiny bit of the scenery. They're still burning here, it's still polluted everywhere around. Today is the 12th of April. Yeah, hopefully this is gonna end soon. It's again very hot outside. I mean, yeah, middle of April, highest temperature. So you have to bear that in mind if you're traveling here within the month of April, guys. And apparently there's even a Wi-Fi connection on board. But this is only in Chinese and I have no clue how it actually works. And first time seeing the landscape here, but we're entering another tunnel right now. Bye bye, high-speed train.